It's more of our friends.
Yes, you are.
Oh, hey, welcome to the show.
Where's my... This chair's too comfy.
Are you good?
It's too comfy. It's making me fall.
He can sit on it, actually. Can I sit in between y'all lanes?
DJ.
It is a lot of kids. But it's just a family, really.
Raymond, get my child.
He said, wait, we about to start the magic show. This is awesome.
All right, is everybody ready? All the kids here?
All right, Raymond, sit down. Yep, I think everybody's here.
That's not funny.
All right.
That's
right. Well, before we start the show, does anybody know whose birthday it is? Now, does anybody have any crayons?
No.
That's okay. In the magic,
Wait, we
you
do.
do, but we don't need them because
Watch out.
I'm the magician.
Thank you, sir.
And I have my coloring book. But my coloring book does magic. And, oh. What does it do? Let's make, oh, can I have cold water right here? Just cold
Yes.
water. Oh, we're going to do
Right
something
away.
fun. Let's see if we have any, see, we got to color all my pictures. Now, we don't need crayons in magic. We just use my
Hey,
hands.
this is not a seat, brother.
No crayons, look.
Off the drum.
There's
Nasir.
lots of colors. Is there colors?
No.
Oh, wait a minute, do faster. And stronger. And faster. Yeah, there's lots of colors.
No.
Oh, maybe it's on her shirt. Purple. And gray. And blue. Oh, green. Oh, there goes more red. And oh, look at white on the baby. All right, let me see. There should be lots of colors.
No.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look, everybody, it's the flowers. This'll work. It's all the colors. It's like crayons. This'll work, I know for sure. And look, there's flowers on the front. Oh boy, I'll close my eyes. There's colors.
No.
Oh, let me switch hands. But if I switch hands, this hand is empty. Wait a minute.